Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the textured single crochet chevron stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and how to work in the back loops. I have a video on the regular single crochet chevron stitch, and I will have that listed down below as well. If you are familiar with that one, this stitch is just one extra step from that one. This stitch is going to be made up of one row worked into your chains and then one row repeated for however long you want your project. To start from the very beginning, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 11 plus 2. I have made 35 chains on my hook right now. So to begin your first row, you're going to work a single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Make one single crochet into the next 4 chains. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to skip 2 chains, and you're going to work one single crochet into the next 4 after you've skipped those 2. So I'm skipping these 2 right here. We'll work a single in the next one. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see skipping those 2 made a little valley. Into the next chain, you're going to work 3 single crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. Into the next 4 chains, you're going to make 1 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you can see the 3 that we worked in that chain together is a peak. So we have 1 valley and 1 peak so far, and we're working 4 single crochet in between each. We've come to another valley. You're going to skip 2 and work 1 single crochet into the next 4 after you've skipped those 2. So I'm skipping these 2 right here. We'll work 1 in the next one. That's 1 single crochet, 2, 3, and 4. We've come to another peak. Work 3 single crochet into the next chain together. So 1, 2, and 3. Make 1 single crochet into the next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've come to another valley. I'm going to skip these 2. I'm going to work 1 single crochet into the next 4 after those 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I've come to the last chain on my row. I'm going to work 2 single crochet into that last chain. That's how that row is looking. For the second row, I wanted to bring in my swatch so I can show you how the stitch is going to look. You can now see how textured it is. And I have already made 1 chain on my hook. Into the first stitch, you're going to work 2 single crochet, but you are going to work in the back loop for each stitch across for this row. So I'm working into this back loop of this first stitch, making 1 single crochet, and then a second single crochet. Into the next stitch, work 1 single crochet into the back loop, and into the next stitch, work 1 single crochet into the back loop. You're now going to skip 2 stitches for your valley. You're going to work into the next 4, working 1 single crochet into the next 4, but in the back loops. So I'm going to skip these 2 right here. I'm going to work into this one, working into the back loop, making 1 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I've come to my peak, work 3 single crochet into the next stitch into the back loop only. So 1, 2, and 3. You're now going to work 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches only in the back loops. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip 2 stitches for the valley, work into the next 4, working 1 single crochet into the back loops of the next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see how that's looking so far. We've come to another peak, work 3 single crochet into the next stitch into the back loop only. 1, 2, and 3. 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches in the back loops only. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip 2. Work 1 single crochet into that next stitch into the back loop. 1 single crochet into the next stitch into the back loop. We've come to the last stitch of our row. You're going to work 2 single crochet into the last stitch, working into that back loop. 1 and 2. That's how that row is looking. So like I said earlier, you would just repeat this row for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the textured single crochet chevron stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.